What's up, guys? We're gonna do a quick one here. Let's feed these snakes. I don't think she's gonna eat. She is about to shed, unless she did already. But let's see if she wants a rat pup. Sometimes she does, sometimes she doesn't. This girl likes to eat, so I wouldn't be surprised if she went ahead and took one. Oh, that's one way to do it. All right. Eating even when she sheds. Go ahead and get started on number 2 here. Got this small one I can give up. She seems to have that handled just fine. Wouldn't be in a hurry if I was you. Damn, bit me. It's all right. I'll do it. He's in the back here. This isn't how I wanted to do this today, but hey, here we are. Bet you he takes it that way. See how she's doing down here. Still working on it. I have faith in her though. I already know my other savage. He's gonna go ahead. Oh, he's ready, all right, yeah. Go ahead and close that back up. Don't like that. Yeah, see, he's a difficult snake to feed because he's so aggressive all the time. Got my tongs. I was trying to do this one a little easier here. Emmett, you're not gonna get to eat today unless you chill. Can't really feed you. See if I can put the tripod up here. Of course, this fucking rat's trying to get out now. It's all good. See what I can do here. You know this one's gonna be a quick one. That didn't go my way. Yeah, this is a sketchy fucking snake to feed, man. It's a standoff here. Zelda's still working on that wrap up down there. She doesn't quite have it yet. Damn, bro. Well, Marco wanted to eat. That's nice. Go ahead. Let's check out up here. Damn, nice, bro. You got it. All right. I skip all that extra stuff today. So far, Emmett has not found his food. Food's hiding out on him, but I can't really deal with him in this state. He will definitely bite me. I'll let him figure that out. Oh, here we go. Sorry, we're gonna miss the strike. Maybe not if I hurry up. We're definitely gonna hear it. Mouse came out, or the rat came out. I see him poking his head out again here. That rat is hiding on him. Should probably start off feeding him first from now on. Avoid this problem. Check on our girl Zelda here and see if she killed this thing yet. Yeah, it's dead. He struck at it. I don't know if he got it. No. Wow. He knows it's in there now, so that's good. We're gonna hear it in a second. There we go. My goodness. 3 for 3 today. Tremendous. Give everyone their space here and let them do their thing. I don't think we need to go through the whole swallowing process today. So hey, take it easy guys. Thanks for watching.